currently walking with this huge bag that I have because it's Friday, es viernes, and I've just finished my classes for the week. And because it's going to be so extremely hot this week and there's a heat wave all throughout Spain, I've decided to go somewhere that's not the beach because I know it's going to be absolutely packed. So we're going to Andorra for the weekend for a quick little trip, and I'm excited to see what it's all about.
The best part about living in Barcelona is you can take a bus directly to Andorra from the city center, which takes about 3 hours but drops you off in the town of Andorra La Vella, the capital city. I was pretty hungry after that bus ride, so I went right to dinner at Izakaya, and the food was incredible. Wish I had gone here more than once while I was here.
Okay, officially made it to Andorra. I just had one of the best dinners of my life, I think. No, it's a chain restaurant, but it's really good. We also have it in Barcelona. I haven't had a chance to try it. What I've really been missing lately is fresh mountain air, because I was in Switzerland around this time last year and that was such a nice break from the heat of summer, and this was the perfect kind of city escape that I was looking for, just what the doctor ordered. Looking forward to a few cooler days while there's a heat wave sweeping through the city. So yeah, this is my little home for the next 2 nights. I picked 2 nights because having a single room was actually half the price of a regular hotel room, so I said, screw it, let's stay both nights. But I only really have tomorrow as a full day. So the plan is to do a hike, maybe to a lake that I've seen that I'm not sure if you can swim in or not, but that would be incredibly refreshing, and it sounds like a great idea. And then if not, I will be able to walk through the town more, since I just kind of skimmed over it on the way here. And I passed a park on the way in coming from the bus station called Park Central, and it seemed very, very cute, especially around evening time. So I'm thinking maybe if I don't have anything else planned, or if I'm not busy in the evening tomorrow, I can stop by there for a little bit and just enjoy some time outside. But yeah, being in nature was the main purpose of this trip. I needed to get away from the city for a little bit, so I'm really excited to explore a little bit more tomorrow.
The air was so crisp here in the morning, I felt like I could actually breathe again. It was incredible. I wanted to take advantage of my only full day in Andorra by seeing as much as possible within reason, so I went to grab a quick breakfast before heading to the information center.
Bon dia from Andorra. I'm just walking to a breakfast spot that I looked up on the map. But yeah, actually Catalan is the first language here because it's situated between France and Spain, but they speak Catalan like they do in Barcelona, so that's kind of helping that I have a little bit of knowledge of that beforehand. But yeah, I'm just looking up in the mountains right now, and I'm so happy to be here.
This shiny building that looks like the Shard in London is actually called Dea, a spa center and one of the best things to do in the city, which I'd love to come back and try when the temperature isn't super hot. I love the art installations that add a touch of color to this town. We're off to the information center to ask about the hiking trails and best activities in this area.
While the lady at the tourist office was very helpful, I think she had 2 ambitious plans for me. She wanted me to take the bus to some town, I can't remember, Ingles, and then hike from there for like 2 hours. And I was thinking, yeah, that sounds amazing. Maybe on my next trip when I have more time. But I know there's a nice little viewpoint up here in the mountains somewhere. So I just grabbed some snacks from Carrefour Express, and I think I'm gonna head up there. I think it's like 2 or 3 hours round trip walking from here, and then I can have myself a little picnic. And this sign says artisanal gelato, so maybe when I come back down, that'll be my reward. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. It's actually so much warmer than I thought it was gonna be here. I brought a jacket just in case. I was like, maybe it'll get chilly in the evening, which it did, but whew, I'm already roasting. We're gaining some altitude though. Okay, halfway there. Still no sidewalk really. As my friend Laura would say, I feel like a rotisserie chicken. It's fine. Okay, I didn't think it would be that good, but honestly, it's pretty cool. I think my hotel is like right over here somewhere, so I'm pretty impressed with that. I will say though, I really don't think this was an actual trail because it's just on the side of the highway that goes up to the top. So not sure I can recommend this. I know there's one that's just a hiking viewpoint, so maybe I'll go back down and then try that afterwards.
Next time I'll definitely do more research before hiking along the side of the road, but it was definitely worth it to see that amazing view. Anyway, we are back to the city center now, and I'm enjoying this park that I found yesterday evening.
Just ended up coming back down to the park where I sat this morning to eat my little snack lunch. But I think the gelato place is open now, so let's go try it.
My foot was a bit sore after that walk, but the gelato helped my mood tremendously. I felt like exploring the main street a bit, as Andorra is known for their shopping since they don't have a tax on many things unlike other EU countries.
Really feeling the heat now, and already did some shopping, which was bad of me. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go back and rest until it's a little bit cooler in the evening, and then come out and start to walk around again. Alright, it's a bit later in the evening. I've had a shower and an outfit change, so I'm feeling much more fresh, and the temperature is starting to cool down. Now we're just looking for places for dinner, and we'll see what we like. Okay, I'm back down by the park area now, and I think I'm gonna go for sushi for a second night in a row because the vegetarian restaurant that I saw that looks really good is closed on weekends. Doesn't make any sense, but that's the case. And I don't eat meat, so I think this is gonna be the best option.
Before you come for me in the comments, yes, I'm a pescatarian that usually leans more towards veggies, and places like the mountainous regions of Spain and here are typically more meat heavy with lots of ham, beef, and even sheep or goat on the menu, so sushi it is.
Really enjoyed that dinner. I've been to Sevilla twice already, in Seville where I found it for the first time, and then Malaga again, so I really enjoyed it. And if you have something called Death by Chocolate on the menu, I have to order it, and it was so good. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just gonna head back and enjoy the rest of my evening. Good morning. Yes, I am wearing the same shirt as last night. I accidentally packed too many warm clothes and it ended up being quite toasty, so this is what we're working with today. We're just going to breakfast now. It's a spot that I've tried in other cities and we also have some in Barcelona, so I know it's gonna be good. But I wanted to do the other shorter hike this morning and my foot is really hurting, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be an option, but I will do my best. And then I have a bus that takes me back to Barcelona in the afternoon, so that's all that we have for Andorra today.
I love the Zenith brunch cafe we have in Barcelona, but this one was much smaller and so cute. It felt like a cozy coffee shop vibe as opposed to a bigger chain restaurant, which I really enjoyed. After brunch, I just felt like sitting in the park for a bit, soaking up as much of nature as possible before returning to the city, and I actually made it back to the bus station just as a thunderstorm was rolling through.
I could actually spend all day in that park. It's so nice and peaceful with the water flowing through. But yeah, I really enjoyed Andorra. It's a great escape from the city, and getting here from Barcelona is so easy that I think I'll definitely plan a trip back here, maybe in the fall and the winter as well, because I know for Christmas they go all out, so I'm excited to come back here. Good thing I got here when I did, just as the storm was rolling through. I could still feel it a little bit, but perfect timing. It's Andorra saying, hey, time to go back to Barcelona.
We were delayed just a bit by a cycling race that went all through the city center, but then before I knew it, we were heading back to Barcelona. And Andorra was such a nice weekend trip, easy to reach from the city, and I can't wait to come back soon and see more of this surprising country.